Canon has been delighting its customers by offering superior technology in digital imaging space for over 75 years. Canon's business solution deliver unrivaled technology and experience to its customers since 1968. In India, Canon is a market leader in A3 size category consistently since 2009. We have a range of 26 models to suit the varied needs of its customers, categorized under Image Runner and Image Runner Advanced series. There are 10 mono models and 1 color model under Image Runner, 8 color and 7 mono models under Image Runner Advanced. In this video, we will walk you through a delightful experience offered by the 8 new models under Image Runner Advanced series. These new third generation models are highly intelligent co-workers present in any office space. When approached, this intuitive machine automatically switches itself on with its motion detecting feature. As you introduce yourself by selecting your picture and pin, the machine greets you with a personalized screen to suit your preferred color, graphics, and frequently used functions such as duplex printing or color. With your configured address book comprising of people you may like to share the documents with. Either print with page numbers or watermarks and more. Also, you can only see your own print queue and not of others who use that machine. This saves your time and effort to manually select the frequently used settings. Today's workforce needs flexibility and convenience to print wirelessly from any device such as a phone, tablet and pen drive. Keeping that in mind, Canon IR Advance has a built-in Wi-Fi access point which enables hassle-free printing through mobile print business app available on Android and iOS platforms. This coworker of yours is also reliable and takes care of your confidential documents with its secure print feature. Prints come only with your permission after you enter the PIN. In situations when you fire a print job without utilizing the secure print option, the force hold print function puts your job on hold until you reach the printer to log in with your image and PIN and select your print job. Force details on output feature of this printer ensures that your confidential documents are identified when left unattended. The username and date is printed on each printout on the bottom left of the page and becomes very useful for IT or information security team to identify individuals who may have printed confidential documents and left them around. If you forget to collect your documents from the feeder while copying or scanning, a reminder LED blinks to call for your attention. Similarly, if you forget a document on a platen glass, an alarm rings to remind you to pick it up. Printing becomes hassle-free with these efficient third-generation models. What more is that these printers offer personal storage space of up to 30,000 pages for users, which can also be shared with a group of people. This is useful when certain documents are frequently printed or needed by a group like blank forms, brochures or standard letter templates. Since these printers offer storage space to each user or a group of users, it secures them by encrypting and making them safe from the hands of hackers and by permanently deleting the documents which the owner does not want anymore. Duty cycle, which is the maximum print capacity of a printer in a month, ranges from 77,000 to 3,50,000 depending upon your need. You can completely depend on Mr. Perfect Coworker. The vivid and vibrant V-Square color technology offers professional photo quality print through the widest color gamut available in office printing segment, while mono printing toner projection development technology gives smooth and consistent print quality which can be equated to the evenness of a spray coloring vis-a-vis coloring with a brush. Scanning becomes super easy with a single click option like Send to Myself, where it lands in your mailbox. One can scan, broadcast a memo to 256 people at one go, which reaches the mailbox of the recipient from your name rather than a generic email ID. Big manuals, books or reports can be scanned and sent to a shared drive which can be accessed by the authorized users. Another advantage is the finishing job option offered by these smart coworkers to take care of your convenience at every step. Now you do not need to staple your documents yourself. IR Advance offers you the finishing job with complete finesse by stapling the documents both with pins and eco or perforated stapling options, For your original scanning documents, the Staple On-Demand feature comes handy. These machines are big helpers by virtue of walkthrough videos offering guiding tutorials on aspects like changing the consumables or removing the paper jam. No need to look out for an IT or office administrators for help anymore. This progressive, new generation co-worker of yours is also very conscious of a responsibility towards the environment. Let us look at the variety of ways in which it takes care of the environment. Firstly, being on sleep mode when it's idle saves energy. Secondly, ceramic heater only heats up when the paper passes through it. Assuming a machine is printing 500 documents a day and in sleep mode for the remaining time, longer drum life of up to 4,94,000 prints in black and 2,22,000 in color enables less e-waste. Even unintended printing or temporarily holding print jobs at device end reduces paper wastage. Overall, the new Image Runner Advanced series offers personalization of the settings, inbuilt Wi-Fi access point, personal storage, enhanced security, up to 1 lakh print load a month, vivid and vibrant V2 colors, increased speed with dual processor, easy scan, eco and on-demand staple, online tutorial and environment conscious. With increased flexibility, convenience and security, these third generation multifunctional devices will fulfill our promise to customers to deliver office solutions meant for today's business environment.
Canon, delighting you always.